Well, guys, it's here. The Thrive Life Spring Sale. You know, they have monthly specials every month and they have a few items on sale. But this spring sale is one of the big ones. There's 3 big sales per year, and there are some amazing deals. So I don't think everything is on sale. I'm not sure, but most things on the website are on sale, and it's anywhere from 25% up to 50% off of the retail price. And I'll go through that in a minute. But the sale starts on April 18th and it goes through the 24th. Now it starts at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, which is 11 a.m. Eastern. I need to emphasize that. If you look for it before 11 a.m., you won't see it. When the sale starts, there will be a banner at the top that you can click on that will take you to a page that has all the sale items and all of the sale prices. So like I said, it's April 18th through the 24th, and if you're a consultant, you can shop on the 17th. Now let's take a look at what is on sale. So we'll start with the most deeply discounted items first. We have 50% off of the sweet corn and the sweetened cranberries. And then we have 45% off of the confetti cake bites. This is a snack dessert and really good stuff. Very sweet though. Then we have 40% off of the pulled pork, cinnamon apple slices, cauliflower, cucumber. Then we have 35% off of mangoes, Granny Smith apples, gluten-free flour. We use this all the time. This is the best gluten-free flour we have ever found. And it's a limited time, which means that it's only available occasionally. It's available right now and it's on sale. So if you have any use for gluten-free flour, grab it now. 30% off broccoli, onion slices, cheddar cheese, ground beef, sausage crumbles. These are great buys on these meats here. And then continuing on, we've got 25% off of banana slices, blueberries, chopped onions, tomato powder, a whole mess of them here, 25% off. Now I also want to show you something that is really cool. The Thrive has what they call Thrive meals now, which is just a meal in a pack. You just add water and let it sit for 10 minutes and you have a meal. So here's the sampler pack. They have 9 meals and this is one of each. And if you buy this, then you get 25% off of the price of the meals. Also, the chef packs. I love these chef packs. For a while they didn't have them during COVID because they couldn't keep them in stock. But the chef pack comes with a box that has 9 pantry cans in it. And then there are recipe cards in there, 6 or 7 recipes depending on which pack you get. And the recipe cards have recipes that you actually use the pantry cans that come with it. And so they have 3 different themes. They have ground beef, they have Southwest chicken, and they have pulled pork. And the recipes revolve around those themes. And especially for someone who's never used Thrive before, these are great because by the time you go through those recipe cards, it tells you exactly how to cook the meal using the freeze-dried food. By the time you finish a bunch of those recipes, you're going to have a pretty good idea of how to use Thrive food. So especially for people who are nervous about it or intimidated by trying to cook with Thrive, this is great. It gives a very good sampling of what Thrive Life is all about. Now that's just sort of a fast run through of the things that are on sale. Like I said, when the sale starts on the 18th, there will be a banner at the top that will take you to the sale page that has all of the sale items listed and the sale prices so you can see them all. Now, you do not have to be on the delivery service in order to take advantage of these prices. However, if you are on the delivery service, then of course you will get the free shipping on any order over $99, and shipping is normally 12%. It's normally 16% in Canada. So if you join the delivery service, you're going to get an additional. You're going to save an additional 12% on your order. Now, also, if you've ever considered becoming a Thrive consultant, this is a great time to do it. If you join right now, then you have a week to get your feet on the ground, figure out what you're doing, and get your Thrive Life website, which I can help you with. And then when you launch your business by talking to your friends and relatives and neighbors, you can launch it using this great Thrive Life spring sale. Fabulous opportunity to be able to start that. To join as a consultant, the link to our website is down below. To join as a consultant, you just go there, and up at the top you'll see a link that says Join Us. Just click on there, follow through with the process, and you can do that for as little as $100. There's three starter kits that you can buy, consultant starter kits: $100, $220, or $499. Take your pick. As soon as you do that, you will be a consultant. You can sell and earn a commission on it. Also, as soon as you do that, I will see that in my back office, and I will contact you for further training opportunities. If you have any questions at all about the business, I would love to talk to you. My email is also down below. You can just email me, and we can talk. So these big sales only come around 3 times a year. We got the spring sale in April, we got the back to school sale in August, and then we have the one in November, Black Friday sale. So it's a great opportunity. Take advantage of it to stock up on your long-term storage, or to stock up on your everyday pantry use. Thanks for watching. Thrive on.